Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make breaking news and also newsletter content in Canva. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Canva, you can use our link in the description down below where you can earn discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So since Canva is one of the best multimedia content creator platform to make some different contents. It's either social media contents, photo editor, video contents, print, etc., etc. You can make all types of content right here. So yes, you can create your own breaking news or newsletter content in Canva. Well, you just need to go to canva.com and make an account and sign up. And after that, after creating an account, you will be redirected to this dashboard right here. And I recommend you to purchase the Canva Pro subscriptions, the premium subscription of Canva, in order to get some better features, so that you can make your contents very easy and very good. So right here, I already have my Canva Pro subscription, but it's okay if you don't have a Canva subscription. So now what you're going to do is to go to home right here and just search for the templates, since Canva offers some different kinds of templates for different content. So just go to search and type for breaking news right here. And after that, as you can see, there will be a templates that you can use. Well, let's not make it a video here. So right here, as you can see, there's a bunch of templates that you can use for your breaking news screen or content, and you can use whatever you want right here. It's up to you. So I'm just going to choose this one. So as you can see, it requires a pro subscription. So yeah, I recommend you to get a subscription. So after that, just customize this templates, and right here, as you can see, it is in form of a video, but you can edit every elements that it contains. So right here, let's just wait until it start loading. Oh yeah, it's done. So now, as you can see, I can just click on each element and I can modify it if I want. And if you want, it's up to you. You can change the background, the text, etc., etc. It's up to you. So now, I'm just going to change. So now I'm just going to modify this one slightly. So let's just change the background. And if you want to change the backgrounds, it's easy in Canva. Just search on elements and search for example, news background. News background. Okay, breaking news. Let's start. And after that, just go to videos right here. So it shows you different types of breaking news videos. So let's just use this, and let's just change the background. So you can see, delete, just detach the video from the background and backspace. And after that, fit this video right here to your screen. Let's just fit this one. Oh, we cannot. Oh, right here. Right here. And after that, just right click again and go to layer and send it to back. So right here, as you can see, uh, it is already the background of our page. And let's just, remove this or make it this text right here. Okay, let's just remove this one or modify it. So for example, let's type news live size right here. And yeah, breaking news. So we already have breaking news background right here. So I think this is not necessary now. Let's just delete this one. And here. So if you want, depends on your news, you can just write your news right here. For example, you can change the text and it's up to you. Also, the time, if you want, you can also change it. Depends on the time you will post your breaking news. And also right here, you can change it whatever indicates what's your news type would be. Is it a 24 live or etc etc? It's up to you. So I think this is good enough. So I'm just going to delete this one. So I think for me this is good enough, and I just need to add some animation. Just click on it and click on animate, and just choose whatever animation you want for your element, and it's up to you. So I'm just going to put some animation each element here. Yeah, I think it's good. So right here, yeah, that's it. That's how you can create your breaking news content on Canva. It's pretty much easy. It's a very drag and drop editing method. So it's so easy, especially if you have a pro subscription. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can create breaking news. So now for the newsletters, let's add a new page. So this is where we will input our newsletters. Just go again to Canva dashboard, and search for newsletter right here. So as you can see, it shows different kinds of newsletter templates, and you can choose whatever you want here, and make sure that it fits exactly the color of your breaking news. If you want to input you know you want to put them together, so you just need to choose the best newsletter templates for your breaking news. So I'm going to choose this one. So it requires pro subscription again, so you need to have a pro subscription in order to use this template. So what I'm going to do is I will customize this template too, but we will not edit this template right here. What we're going to do is we're going to paste it. We're going to get all of this content. We're going to copy it and paste it right here. So let's remove the background. Wait. Let's delete the background. After that, just Control V right here. And as you can see, the newsletter has been pasted. We're going to, fit all of this content right here on the page itself. So let's just modify this right here, and it's up to you, or it's up to me, if I want to add some pictures right here. But if I want, I can just also I can just modify this one here, and if I want, I can just add a page and uh, put the rest of the content right here. So yeah, I will not do that for now. So I'm just going to show you how to modify it. So right here, if you want, you can change the background of this page right here, or the colorway, I mean the colorway of this page right here based on this. So, and what I'm going to do is to since it contains blue or reddish color, so I'm just going to go to another page, search for red and blue color background or palette. Yes, right here, for example, this one. So I'm just going to copy these pictures, paste it right here in Canva, and click on it, right click, and as you can see, I can apply the colors to the page. And right here, as you can see, it changed the color of the page based on the picture's color itself. So right here, I can just if I want, I can just apply it again, apply the colors to the page again until I get the best colorway of this page. I think this one should be good now. Yeah, right here, as you can see, much better now. And also, let's not forget the animation. So click on the page, click animate, add some animation that you want for your newsletter page. Yeah, I think this one is good. So right here, yeah, that's it. And yes, that's it. That's how you can create breaking news and newsletter and add it or put it together. And if you want, you can just increase the timing of the page per page. So if you want, for example, if you want to increase the duration of this page, you can just click on the page, click edit timing, and increase the timing of your page the way you want. And yes, that's it. So after you're done, you can just click share and download the content. It would be on an MP4 video, whatever you want, etc., etc. So just going to download it. So right here. So yeah, right here on the media player, as you can see, this is my breaking news and newsletter content or video. Yeah, as you can see, that's it. That's how we can create breaking news and newsletters in Canva. And also, that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.